I'm Joanne from Twig and Bloom, and I wanted to wish you a wonderful wedding day. Congratulations, this is so exciting. I thought that I would do a quick tutorial about how to put on your boutonniere. So your boutonniere is going to come in a plastic case like this. Please leave it in the refrigerator until at least 20 minutes before the wedding. And then you're going to take it out, to apply it to the lapel here, hold it with your thumb, and then you're going to take the pin, and on the inside you're going to hide the pin behind the lapel, come up through the ribbon or up through the center of the stems, and on the second one you're going to cross down through the center of the stems, and that will just keep it nice and secure throughout the day, and that way it kind of hides the pins. So one thing to keep in mind is that your pins intersect about halfway up through the boutonniere, because we want to make sure that the boutonniere doesn't fall forward. And then once you have yours on, you can go ahead and pin on all the rest of the guys.
Perfect. Thank you.
Congratulations, have a wonderful wedding day.